This is the Artome M10. It can project a crystal clear image of 150 inches, and its extremely powerful Epson ultra-short throw laser projector enables it to be used even in daylight conditions. Its image can be seen from a great distance, which is why we designed a dynamic 2.1 sound system to make the Artome M10 ideal for even larger spaces and events. The audiovisual technology of today is more than just a picture with sound. Its compatibility, its hybrid, its ease of use and flexible solutions. At Artome, we have designed the hybrid dock technology, which will enable you to operate any USB microphone, camera or even speakerphones with the unit. Connecting with your laptop or any other devices needed for hybrid use has never been easier.
Hi, my name is Hautala and I'm a designer at Artome. The idea behind designing Artome M10 was to design a product that removes the limitations of traditional audiovisual solutions. The result is one simple product that has everything you need for presentation and video conferencing. And we've put it on wheels, so you can bring it wherever it's needed, rather than having it fixed permanently to a single location. Personally, I really like how the technology blends together with the design. For example, the upholstered front door makes the product feel like furniture, though really its purpose is to hide the speakers behind it. I think this play between furniture design and technological innovation is what really makes this product unique.